After the start of the landing burn, we will actually have second engine cutoff
Stage 2 flight termination system is safe.
On the second stage on the right. So both coming up in just a few seconds here.
Stage 1 landing burn has started.
You can see that stage 1 entry burn.
SECO 1.
Landing burn. And SECO 1. There's the first stage coming in.
Landing legs are deployed.
Nominal parking orbit.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
What a beautiful view of that first stage landing. And we did get a confirmation from our second stage of a nominal orbit. You can hear the cheering in the background. Everyone's really excited.